My favorite quote from Much Ado About Nothing is said by Benedict. His main love interest is Beatrice, and they have a very volatile relationship. They hate each other for most of the play at the beginning, and then at the end they kind of realize that they're madly, passionately in love. And Benedict at one point asks Beatrice, "For which of my bad parts didst thou fall in love with me first?" And I always thought that was a pretty cute way to phrase that.
My favorite line in Shakespeare, this is going to sound a little peculiar, but it's "Kill Claudio," and it comes from Much Ado About Nothing.
Definitely one of my favorite works by Shakespeare is Julius Caesar, because of Mark Antony's opening speech when he says, "Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I come to bury Caesar, not to praise him."
Julius Caesar sees Cassius and remarks he doesn't like the fellow and why he doesn't like him. He says, "Cassius, he has a lean and hungry look." I like it because you can use it any day, any time. You see someone, you're like, ah, that guy, he has a lean and hungry look. It can work.
My favorite line in Shakespeare, it's not a single line. I know it's supposed to be. Everyone says, oh, to be or not to be, or Romeo, Romeo. There's such a better speech than either of those. Lady Macbeth, in the Scottish play, as she's descending into the most absolute madness with the guilt of what she and her husband have done by killing the king, and she's saying, out, out, damned spot, out. And she's trying to clean her soul. It's not.
Nothing is either good or bad, but thinking makes it so. That's my favorite line of Shakespeare, because I totally agree with him. How we define something as good or bad depends on our own opinion and perspective.
World creating.
Genius.
Verbose.
Fantastic. Forever.
Incredible.
Creative.
Smart.
King.
Unique.
A teacher. Phenomenal.
Inspiring.